everything changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome into the channel. It's Sunday. Today is May 30th, 2021, Memorial Day weekend. A happy Memorial Day weekend, guys. Tomorrow, of course, officially Memorial Day. If you missed my message from the last video, please do go check it out. I'll link it below. The whole reason why this weekend exists to begin with, and tomorrow, of course. So you can check that out. I'm not going to go on about it in this video yet. So what I did want to tell you guys is, since it is Memorial Day, one, I'm going to practice what I preach about telling you guys how to make money and how to make sales on a weekend like this for any holiday weekend, matter of fact. But also, I want to tell you guys that there's two things. One that brought to my attention, I told people to run promotion sales, markdown sales for eBay stores, like 10, 15, 20% off. If you can do it at your current prices, make money, that's fantastic. Yes, there are a lot of people that will mark their stuff up 20% and then run the sale 20%. There are some laws about that. I've gone into it about those things in other videos. But basically, that was for brand new stuff, retailers, brick and mortar. And as far as like used goods that don't really have a set price, they kind of have like a fair market value, but not a set price. As long as you're not pricing the item above what the original price is after the sale that was originally happening, then you're pretty much good to go. So for example, if you have an item up for $30, and you want to run, let's say you're going to run 20% off, $6, right? And the item's going to come down to $24. Well, let's say that you go ahead and bump it up to $40 because you're like, well, if I bump it up to 40 and I run 20% off, that's going to give $8 off and it'll be 32. It'll actually, you know, pretty much end up right where I started. Or let's say I'm going to bump it to $39 or 38 and run 20% off for like, you know, $7.60 or whatever and be right around that $30. If the price, if you did 40 with 20% off and it brought it down to 32, your sale price is above what you originally had it listed for in its history. So you kind of can't get away with that. You got to make sure that new sale price is lower than whatever the original high price was. So if you bump it to $40 and you want to run 25% off, that brings it back down to 30, then you'd be okay then. And really that's a gray area. A lot of people go back and forth on it, but absolutely just follow that rule, that rule of thumb, and you'll be okay. In general, nobody's gonna mess with you anyways. That law really isn't for used goods and what we do and online and this type of stuff. So, but just to be safe than sorry, just kind of follow that rule of thumb. That's what, as far as everything I've read has advised, but I'm not a lawyer and I can't give you legal advice, so that's just what I'm advising that I would do, just to make sure it's still lower and you're not really deceiving the customer. So that was one thing that people did bring up to my attention, and thank you for bringing that that point up. So do appreciate that from you guys. So second, practicing what I preach. So I'm going to go run some sales on a lot of stores that I have. First, my Shopify wholesale site, we cut prices on a ton of stuff. In fact, I'm going to go cut prices on a bunch of them right now. When I list this video up, you should see it. It will be linked below. If you need inventory for your store, if you want to stock up a ton of lots and a ton of them cut in price. Second, I'm going to add a bunch of our own inventory, our own personal wholesale inventory that I'm liquidating out of our thing. It is because we moved into a new house, because we are moving. There is nothing wrong with the inventory. It is great. It is sellable. In fact, I was selling it every day. I just have a ton more inventory getting ready to come in and I have to rotate. So opportunity, my loss is your gain. I need the room and I need the time freed up. Please do go help yourself. And third, I put everything on my website, which means the training packages, everything on sale for Memorial Day. It's linked below. Go visit my website, watch the description video. I break down everything that you're gonna get, the videos, the guides, the training, everything on sale for Memorial Day. Click the link, you'll see the special price. I'm not gonna tell you guys, just go click it, you'll see the price. And all of my sponsors and affiliates of this group are having sales or having discounts using my codes. That means Reseller Genie, that means Mark II, our licensed CPA, that means List Perfectly and American Bubble Boy, along with several other affiliates. So everything will be down below if you want a sale price on any of those resources, tools, and of course from eBay and Amazon, all of my affiliates are down there. So practicing what I preach, it's all on sale. I'm putting it out to you guys. Do go take a look at my description box. Click the See More button if you need to. And if you are a seller and you have a store, you have all kinds of platforms, go run sales and then go post on social media that you are running sales and watch what happens. So you're all welcome. I'm gonna go do that right now and get it ready for you guys. Then I'm gonna watch the Lightning game because it's hockey time. We're big hockey fans, so go Bolts against against Carolina. And I'll see you guys a little bit later tonight on my social media accounts and Instagram. Have a wonderful weekend, happy and safe Memorial Day weekend and Memorial Day tomorrow, and I'll see you then.